Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to send Interac e-transfer on a Scotiabank. Now the first thing I want you to do is come to the bottom panel, tap on Move Money, and from here under Within Canada, tap on Interac e-transfer. Okay, and then I want you to choose whether you're doing a send or requesting or you're managing your Interac e-transfer. So in this case we're sending. So choose your from account, you select one. Okay, so let's say we have basic, checking, saving. These two, you can choose your checking account, for example, okay, whichever one that has money, and then you choose the contact you're sending it to. So you tap here, choose your contact, let's say it's this one, and then you can enter your amount, and then you can choose a security question that they'll have to answer. There you go, and then you can add an optional message if you would like, and once you're done, you just slide to send, okay? That's all you have to do, and then as you can see right here, your Interac e-transfer was sent, and you'll see all the details, and you can just come here at the bottom and tap on finish. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix